In this video, we are gonna count down the top 5 world's best anime series, from epic battles to heartwarming stories. These top 5 anime series will captivate your imagination and leave you craving for more. Join me as we explore the very best that anime has to offer. Number 5. Attack on Titan. This series is not for the faint of heart. Attack on Titan is a dark fantasy anime that is devastatingly beautiful as it is heart-wrenching. Set in a post-apocalyptic world dominated by giant humanoid titans, the series follows a group called the Survey Corps as they set out to protect themselves from these creatures who may just be more like them than they realize. The main protagonist, Eren, joins the group after the brutal death of his mother at the hands of a Titan attack. After joining the Survey Corps, Eren Yeager fights Titans fiercely and learns shocking truth about their origin. Eventually, he discovers he can control Titans and aims to protect his friends by any means. Eren starts the rumbling, unleashing massive Titans hidden in the walls to crush everything in their path. His goal is to destroy all threats to his homeland. This drastic move puts him at odds with former friends and allies. Eren's actions raise questions about freedom, morality and survival, making him a complex and controversial character in Attack on Titan. Number 4. Death Note. Death Note follows Light Yagami, a high school student who discovers a mysterious notebook with the power to kill anyone whose name he writes in it, as long as he knows their face. Driven by a desire to rid the world of criminals and create a utopia under his rule, Light takes on the alias Kira and begins a vigilante killing spree. As his actions attract global attention, he draws the interest of the enigmatic detective known only as L. Thus begins a high-stakes game of cat and mouse between Light and L, with each attempting to outsmart the other while maintaining their anonymity. The series delves into themes of morality, justice and the corrupting influence of power as Light descends into darkness and faces the consequences of playing God with the Death Note. Number 3. Naruto. Naruto is an epic saga following the journey of Naruto Uzumaki, a spirited ninja with the dreams of becoming Hokage, the leader of his village. Born with the nine-tailed fox demon killed within him, but preserved through his determination and unwavering spirit alongside his friends Sasuke and Sakura. Naruto navigates the trials of the ninja world, confronting powerful adversaries, uncovering dark secrets and forging unbreakable bonds. As Naruto Shippuden unfolds, Naruto matures into a formidable ninja, facing greater challenges including the threat of war and the quest to save Sasuke from darkness. The series explores themes of friendship, sacrifice and redemption, delving into complexities of human nature and the consequences of one's choices. With breathtaking battles, heartful moments and a rich tapestry of characters, Naruto captivates audiences with its blend of action, emotion and intricate storytelling, leaving an indelible mark on the world of anime. Number 2. One Piece. One Piece is a captivating tale of adventures, friendship and dreams set in a vast and imaginative world. The story revolves around Monkey D. Luffy, a spirited young pirate with the ability to stretch his body like rubber after eating a devil fruit, determined to become the Pirate King and find the legendary treasure known as One Piece. Luffy sets sail with his diverse crew, the Straw Hat Pirates. Along their journey across the Grand Line, they encounter powerful foes, forge alliances and uncover the mysteries of the world. Each member of the Straw Hat crew has their own dreams and ambitions, adding depth to the narrative with its rich lore, engaging characters and epic battles. One Piece has become one of the most beloved and longest running manga and anime series, inspiring fans worldwide with its themes of camaraderie and the pursuit of dreams. Number 1. Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball is a legendary anime and manga series created by Akira Toriyama. It follows the adventures of Goku, a pure-hearted Saiyan warrior, as he grows from a naive child into Earth's greatest defender. The story begins with Goku's quest to find the mystical Dragon Ball, which when gathered summoned the wish-granting dragon Shenron. Along the way, he meets allies like Bulma, Krillin and Master Roshi, facing off against villains like Emperor Pilaf, Piccolo and Frieza. The series evolves from light-hearted adventures into epic battles as Goku trains, grows stronger and explores his Saiyan heritage. Dragon Ball Z introduces Goku's Saiyan origin, his son Gohan, and the arrival of powerful enemies like Vegeta, Cell, and Majin Buu. Dragon Ball Super continues the saga with even greater threats and transformations, exploring alternate universes and introducing new characters like Beerus and Whis. Dragon Ball is a timeless epic blending exhilarating battles, heartfelt friendships, and unforgettable characters. From Goku's humble beginnings to universe-shaking showdown, it's a legendary journey that continues to inspire generations. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. See you next time.